It's not an official confirmation, but top sources in UP police have said that Vikas Dubey has been killed in the encounter that took place around 20 minutes back, just on the outskirts of Kanpur, when he was on his way to be taken to the court. In fact, as Priyank, who is at the spot, rightly said that the car met with an accident because it was raining, which was virtually pelting in Kanpur. After which he tried grabbing a pistol. It's very similar to what had happened yesterday in case of Prabhat Mishra. He tried grabbing the revolver and pistol of the commandos who were accompanying him, after which a brief encounter took place. And you can see the visuals of very seriously injured Vikas Dubey. Sources are saying that he has been killed. There's no official confirmation. We can't say with conformity whether he has been killed, but sources are saying that Vikas Dubey has in fact died in the encounter, because there are bullet injuries on his chest. You can see, because his heavily bleeding body is being taken inside the operation theatre, and UP STF personnel are with him. The question that needs to be asked time and again is what is happening in UP. Yesterday, in a very similar manner, Prabhat Mishra was gunned down. Even in that case, the car broke down and he tried grabbing a pistol, after which shots were fired and he was killed. He was again shot waist up. And in today's case also, when Vikas Dubey was being brought to Kanpur and being produced in the court, again the car met with an accident. He tried fleeing, tried grabbing a pistol, and after which shots were fired, and he received serious injuries. Our sources are saying that Vikas Dubey has died. The question still remains why these gangsters have been killed, why no attempt was made to capture them alive, why there was lack of security when they were being brought to Kanpur, because the truth, it now appears, will not ever come out as to what happened in Bikru village a week back, in which 8 police personnel were martyred. Who conspired with Vikas Dubey, whether it was only the local police that conspired with him, whether there were politicians involved, the manner in which he surrendered, the questions that have been raised by the Congress party about the way this surrender drama happened. All these questions point to the fact that there is an attempt being made by the UP police, particularly by the UP STF, to somehow bury the truth in this case and not let the truth come out in open, because if it does come out in open, then it will raise a very big question mark about the manner in which UP police functions and give patronage to criminals.
That's right. You're raising very pertinent questions, and these are the questions that the UP police, the UP government will have to now face, because it is quite regularly that we are seeing how gangsters are being killed. Nothing really comes out, and in this case as well, these are the exclusive visuals that Times Now has accessed, in which we can clearly see an injured Vikas Dubey being taken into the hospital. Of course, Bhavtosh, my colleague, is telling us that his sources seem to suggest that in 20 minutes back, in an encounter that happened, Vikas Dubey has been killed.